Hey everybody. All right, so we're gonna do something a little bit different today. Y'all know I'm Miss Creative, so this is Disalasia with 444 Tarot, and I am again gonna explain how I'm pretty new to this. I'm building this channel, and as I'm building this channel, I'm also building my tarot skills, right? And in such a short time, I've gotten so much better at reading the cards intuitively, especially because that's where my greatest strength is, as well as memorization of the meanings of the cards. Where I struggle at the most is memorizing the zodiac signs, okay, that represent, especially in the major arcana or in, the cards that are not in the suits, excuse me, that are not as easy to remember, or even the suits sometimes are really hard to remember. But anyway, I have Serenity here, my daughter. She's an astrologist, and she's really, really good at that end of it all, the astrological, the zodiacal, the astrological part of the whole thing. Okay, so either way, so we're here today and we're going to do like a tutorial tarot learning session with her. She's also a student of tarot as well as I, and so we're learning together. And I'm going to be her student today, right? And she's going to test me. Well, I know more tarot than she do, but she gonna try to test me on my knowledge of tarot by displaying each card, and then she's going to also give her interpretation of the zodiac of that card. Okay, so let's get started. What's the first card, Serenity? Say hi to the camera now. Say hi. Say
Pull
hi.
it.
You don't want to say hi?
Hi.
Okay. So go ahead.
Pull
Yeah,
it.
pull a card. Okay.
Any card or just this
Yeah,
card?
any card. You can just put it like right here because the cross right here, they can see it. Let's move it over a little bit. Okay, so that's the first card, is the Prince of Pentacles. So here we have, you said this is Capricorn energy, okay? And we have, this dude is about his coins, right? But he's also represents a knight. And with the knight energy, we have like, travel and moving forward, directional energies where, he's going for the goal, he's going for the coins, he's going after the bag. Okay, so that's this energy. What do you want to say about this card?
What sign?
It's a Capricorn, I believe. What did you tell me about this ram up here? Didn't you say that's how you remember that it's a Capricorn?
If it's a ram, then it's Aries.
Aries. So I need to look it up.
Capricorn's is goat.
Capricorn. That look like a goat to me. That look like a goat, y'all.
Goats have like little beards and shorter horns.
Oh. Okay, next. What's the next one? We'll do 10 cards. And if you guys hear me saying anything wrong.
It's reversed.
Oh, it's in reverse. Okay, so we'll read them in reversal since we're learning too. I burnt myself with sage earlier. Like, when I tell you the fire came off the sage and hit my pinky, and my pinky was on fire, it's crazy. Like, Jesus. I'm gonna put that out as a blooper video. I should do blooper videos. That would be so funny. People would be like, "Oh my God, her pinky's on fire!" Be like, retarded. Anyway, coming out of grief, reversal. Three of Swords representing loss, representing devastation, representing isolation, and so this is like learning from that. This is like coming full circle from that painful place to a triumphant place, and the energy of that movement going from that cycle of pain to healing. And so grief, healing, coming out of grief, and perpetuating growth from the pain. Okay, next. You have to put it right here. I just right there.
Just put it.
Yeah, because they can see that. I'll move it closer too so they can really see it. Okay, we'll move it right here. All right, you all in the camera. I don't want little kidnappers and sex traffickers coming to get my child now. I'll cut you. Cut you. I'll cut you. I'll cut you. All right, moving on. All right, here we go. Eight of Cups. So we have the Eight of Cups. So we have abandonment here. Cups representing emotion and a sense of like destitution, because like but you have these 8 cups that have like still shit work left to work with in it, right? But you ain't thinking about that because you're thinking about the losses. You're thinking about now what, well, I got to regain and rebuild, and that's just too much work. So causing hence a sense of abandonment or a sense of abandoning. So either leaving the ship or just crying that the ship is not exactly what you expected it to be, or the shipments. Okay, so now you
Reverse.
have.
Reverse.
Oh, she wants me to say this in reversed. Ooh, that's a hard one. That's a hard one. Ooh, 6 of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, I look at the 6 of Pentacles as a growth card. It's going from a place of like 5 of Pentacles where you feel like challenged, okay, at work, and you got that balance. You're able to. I forget to like put the disturb on, and now we getting these notifications, and people can hear that. But either way, so you're in the 6 of Pentacles place if it was in the upright, where you're balancing those challenges now, right? Your great work ethic, got a lot going on, but you handling it pretty well. So if we're reading it in the reverse, I would say that that's a lack of balance, lack of handling it, being overwhelmed by the scenario, or not being able to handle what you're going through as much as you like, or as much as you think you should be able to handle the predicament. Next. Okay, and we have, it's my girl right here. This is my girl. She a power player to me. All right, because when you at this place with the 9 of Pentacles, that means you're not satisfied totally. Oh God, you're not. It's getting heavier for this little cross. You're not satisfied totally at the outcome, but you're almost there, right? You're in a place where now you're that close to your completion, and your stability and your work ethic, and in your job endeavors, or your career endeavors, or your entrepreneurial drive, whatever you want to call it. Your hustle is all the way there, but just not completely there yet. You still have some shit left to clear up and tie up and get in alignment, but it is escalating, it is elevating. This card is a card of elevation in the workplace, in the career sense. Okay, yeah, we can do a few more. Okay, we have the Hangman. Hangman means surrendering, but surrendering by choice, going into a place of reclusiveness to be able to examine, self-examine, re-examine, and just submission, like overall submission to the situation, like whatever you can't control. It reminds me of serenity, like the serenity prayer, like God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change. See, so right here, the Hangman is very serene. He's hanging in a yoga position, like meditating, on the sun and being in alignment with the sun. This is funny, a funny card to me, because this is in the upright. So every time they say that this is in the upright, I'm like, how is that in the upright when the sun should be this way? But so then you realize that it's not really the sun. It's his aura that's illuminating, that also gives off like the sun. Hey, first time I ever channeled that from this card. Hey. Okay, next. Yes, so the light of God from within, the surrender to God from within.
I don't know if that's Aries or Capricorn, because it looks like Aries. Because there's a little horn right there, and then that's a little...
Yeah, this is Capricorn, I think. I remember this one being Capricorn, so maybe the other one was Aries.
Okay.
So,
it was
yes.
Reversed.
Oh, I don't want to read him in reverse because he's so stable in the upright. But in the reverse is instability. It means no money. Like you lost the bank. You lost control of the bank. You lost control of the wheel when it comes to your financial security, right? So that's basically it in the reverse. Like just not having control over the bag no more. Like, but in the upright, you got control over the bag. Your coins is in check. You run the kingdom. Okay, you're wealthy. You're powerful. You're capable. But in the reverse is opposite. Okay, in the upright, this is collaboration. In the reverse is lack of effort, lack of teamwork. You can't control your external environment to get the team to motivate. So therefore, now you like, okay, what am I gonna do with that? Kind of like isolated, and I could do this all by myself, or I could do bad by myself type of energy. This is gonna be the last card because I don't want it to be more than 10 minutes because it'll be a long upload. All right, so last card, and then Serenity can give you her overall. Oh, actually, she can't because her friend is on her way here to pick her up. for the pool. So either way, but she can still give you her piece, right? You want to say anything about any of these signs?
Which one?
Okay, hold on. I'll ask you in a second. Okay, we'll talk about him because this is one that I really don't understand his sign. He is the King of Wands. I think it's an Aries, or it's like a, what's the fire signs again?
Sagittarius, Leo, Aries.
Sagittarius, Leo, Aries. So that's what this is probably. I think that's, he just reminds me of fire because it's the red energy in it. It's wands, so it's desire. Okay, it's like fire and desire, right? And so his desire is like to have what he wants at all costs. He's like, take no prisoners. I don't care. I'm going to win by any means necessary. Okay, so is that like, does that sound like an Aries, like fire energy, when they like win by any means necessary?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. I think everybody can be like that sometimes.
It sounds more like Capricorn.
Capricorn. Okay, yeah, Capricorn, but that's still fire energy, right? Capricorn?
No, that's Earth energy.
Oh, okay. Y'all know I got to get better with the astrology. But either way, so we have this dude right here. But like I said, leave a comment if you like what you see. We're going to do more tutorials like this, especially when we go out this week, this upcoming week. Look for us and subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, and get used to this little face. Okay, half of it, the corner of it that I let y'all see. Get used to that because she's going to be the next YouTube star, okay? Watch out, Logan Paul.
Oh, I was just thinking on him.
Oh, we're channeling. High vibrations.
Because Logan Paul's an Aries.
Oh, he's an Aries. Okay, well, yeah, so anyway, guys, like, share this video, like, subscribe, like I said, and comment and let us know if you like us doing some type of, like, mom-daughter, like, tutorial lessons for kids in tarot and just bonding time and experience, right? Share your hobbies with your kids, guys, okay? All right. Thank you for watching. Namaste.